Good afternoon. This is Craig Cook at the law office of Craig L. Cook, and we're licensed in both Arkansas and in Oklahoma. I want to talk to you today about what if my loved one dies while waiting for a nursing home negligence case to be resolved. Well, the case still goes on. So if your loved one passes, all is not lost in regards to continuing that case. You have the pain and suffering and the damages that the loved one had while they were alive, which they can pursue in their own right. But if they pass while the case is pending, then we can open an estate and can continue the case with a personal representative. A personal representative is a legal entity that is created by the law and is set up by an order of a probate court in either Arkansas or Oklahoma to pursue that particular wrongful death and survivorship action in both Arkansas and Oklahoma. That's the simplistic way of putting it. You need to, if you're doing these type of cases and you have a personal representative appointed, you need to make sure that you have all the substantive actions in regards to what you're going to do if the case is settled, approved by that particular probate court. Then, if the loved one passes away, the passing of the loved one will add to the claims of the case, which will be A, claims the loved one could make when alive. If the person was alive, they can pursue all those claims as if they were alive, like the pain and suffering, scarring, hospital charges. If they have some type of economic loss, that they could pursue in their own right if they were alive. And additionally, they could pursue what's called a wrongful death claim if the death is caused by the negligence of the nursing home. Now that one, sometimes people kind of get lost with this one. Obviously, you can tell if something happens to a loved one while they're in the nursing home, they pass away within 24 or immediately after leaving the nursing home, or within 24, 48 hours, you say, okay, yes, I can effectively say that I could pursue a wrongful death case against the nursing home. There is other literature out there, and most of the medical care providers that are geriatric doctors and even some non-geriatric doctors will tell you that if you break a long bone or suffer a fall that fractures or breaks a hip, or maybe even some other type of breaks, that shortens the life expectancy, and at least you can say that particular fall or break contributed to that particular loved one's passing. And so you can say that you have a wrongful death as a result of that particular fall. So in conclusion, if you have a loved one that's in a nursing home and they are injured or suffer an injury while in a nursing home and they pass away, all is not lost. We just set up an estate, get the judge to approve setting up of that estate, that we file the lawsuit on behalf of the personal representative. The personal representative, once they were to collect any monies, that is to be determined to be divided by the probate judge. So all the actions of the personal representative is governed by the orders of the probate judge. If you have somebody that you know your loved one has been injured in a nursing home or a residential care facility, some of those also can have some liability. Contact us at the law offices of Craig L. Cook by calling us at 479-783-8000, contacting us through our website, lawofficesofcraiglcook.com, or you can email me directly, Craig at lawofficesofcraiglcook.com. Thank you.